All right, guys, today's a special day. It's Dionne's first closing. We did a video a couple months ago when she first joined the team. First closing, Dionne, like, how do you feel? What's going through your head right now?
First, glory to God for sure.
Amen.
But I'm feeling really good, super excited. This is just the beginning, so super excited.
100%. You first joined the team a couple months ago, and this is your first closing. Couple months later, you've been doing the work, right? You've been doing the cold calling, the door knocking. You did the open house, which is actually how we found the buyer for your listing. So, obviously you've been doing the methods and everything necessary to build a successful business. What does this mean for you? Your first closing, like what are you going to do next? What are your goals?
I feel like now I'm kind of pushed even more to know that like consistency will take you places. Just stick with it. Right now, especially with the market, it's a little crazy, but just stay with it, have faith, and just work really hard, and you will get the progress, and you will get, the closings, and you will get the listings and everything else.
Would you say that maybe joining a team and having mentorship has been valuable to you?
Oh yeah, I couldn't do it without my mentor right here, David. I don't know how many times I call him, but he's always there to help me out for sure, and I definitely could not do it without him. I would say joining a team is huge starting out in real estate because they will set you up. You have the resources to learn and grow for sure.
Dionne, congratulations again. I'm super proud. I mean, I'm a proud mentor moment right now, honestly. You have no idea. Congrats again. This day is for you. This is your day. Go off and celebrate it, but congratulations on your first closing.
Thank
and
you.
I'm excited to see your career grow.